How to fix guided access not working on iPhone or iPad on iOS 16. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and go to Settings first and then on Accessibility. Scroll down and you will see an option for guided access. Click on that and make sure to toggle off the guided access button if it is toggled on. Now go to your home screen and click the power button and then volume up button of your device together and restart your phone. Make sure to wait for a minute or so before restarting. Once restarted, go to Settings again and then on Accessibility. Go to Guided Access and toggle the button on for guided access. Next, go to Face ID and passcode and set the Face passcode if you haven't already. I have already set my password here. Now go back to Settings and this time go to General and then on Software Update and make sure your device is updated. I have a software update here, so I will update it later. If guided access is still not fixed, go a step back and scroll down to the bottom on General and click on Transfer and Reset, iPhone and then on Reset, and then finally on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and your iPhone will reset all the settings. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.